Hello everyone! In this video, I want to explain the reasons why your phone may be charging extremely slowly. This is a very common problem for many people, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Clean the charging port. In some cases, dirt builds up and blocks the connection, preventing proper charging. You can clean it with a completely dry toothbrush. 2. Restart your phone. In many cases, this can fix the issue and make it charge normally again. 3. Check the USB cable, the charger, and even the wall outlet. Try charging your phone with a different charger, a different USB cable, and plug it into another outlet to make sure the problem isn't caused by these components. 4. Leave it charging longer than usual. If your battery is completely drained, it may take a few minutes before the charging indicator appears. 5. Go to Settings and choose Factory Reset if your phone still turns on and you remember the charging issue started after installing something or modifying a setting. You can use the Factory Reset option as a last resort, but you must have a backup because this will erase all your data. Do this at your own responsibility. 6. Keep in mind that high temperatures can make your phone charge more slowly. 7. Check for a pending software update. Go to Settings, look for Software Update, and install any update available. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video. If you liked this video, I would be very grateful if you subscribe and comment. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next video.